Welcome back to the Sound for More channel and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I have the pleasure to introduce you to RollBud from Cem Olcay. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. Additionally, if you would like to support what I do, please do follow the instruction contained in the video description. Thank you again. So, RollBud. So, as you can see, we are inside the so AUv3 compliant, and it is used here as an insert effect. It is an audio effect, which allows you to do, for example, roll type of effects, reverse rolls, gate, trance gate style effect. So, really versatile. As it normally is with Bud's application from Cem, is very easy to use, very simple. The learning curve is always very short. So I have a file player here with a simple loop, which sounds like so. Nice and simple. And I have connected also the AUM MIDI keyboard, as you can see at the bottom, because RollBud responds to MIDI events as well. So how does it work? You can see subdivision here. Okay. First of all, you have to select a mode, roll, or also gate. And you can have forward and also reverse as well as turn in terms of playing. So let's start with roll, and we click play, and we just click we select different subdivision. So as you can hear, is repeating that a part of that loop based on the subdivision that you have selected, and is following this envelope here, which you can change up and down here. You can also change clicking here and moving up and down as well, right? You can change the intensity here, right? I should say the curvature, okay? How you respond, but you can also do it here as well. And let's hear the difference. So it's practically having a early attack or a later attack, right? Or no attack at all, and then you can have it with a longer attack in terms of envelope. So that's really great. And here you can also select the curvature, you can see. Okay. So let's try. Here you can select the amount, of course, and then dry and wet. So really great, really simple. You can also select gate. In that case, is just applying that envelope with these settings continuously based on the subdivision selected. Great for those trance gate style effect. Works really nicely for that. You can also do reverse roll. At the moment it's set to forward, click here and you do reverse. And remember, as you hold down your finger, your mouse cursor, you can move up and down to change the envelope. Okay. You can also set here to hold, like so. And that's of course great, right? So you don't have to actually keep your fingers on the screen or hold down the button on your mouse. Okay, and you also notice that when I stopped playing, in terms of the transport control inside the AUM, it kept going because it has a buffer, which of course it was using. Now you also have the possibility to record animation here to play and also to have that in a loop. So let's see how that works. Let's set it to gate and let's try, and we record as well. You can see that it has stopped there, but you can set it on a loop and it will continue. Okay. So nice and simple, right? Here you have access to the settings as well. You can set the MIDI channel, the starting node, which I'll show you in a moment. If you want to use your white keys mode only, what you're going to do on the selected number, the selected beats, what you do on the white destination, you can change the envelope in this case, right? Recording settings as well. And if you want to have a MIDI trigger mode as well, grid quantization, etc., etc. So it's quite simple. And let me show you here, right? There you go. So you can select the different subdivision, just clicking or send on the AUM MIDI keyboard or sending MIDI note event starting from C4. As you see here, it says is set on the settings. Okay, starting from C4. Perfect. So let's try it. So, and that is great because you can have something playing, for example, from a file player like this one, but it could be from a DAW as well. And you can have, for example, another MIDI channel. And in that MIDI channel also, for example, let's pick up RollBud. We link the two here. You can see we can connect it to RollBud. And then inside RollBud, what we do, we just go to settings. We say go up like so. So start from C4, right? We change the subdivision here, right? And we do it to perhaps AUv, and then we change the note, right? So you can see it will go up like so, then it will come down, right? There you go. Let's try. Of course, I have to set also the gate here. Let's maximize the gate. Okay, so we can go in draw mode here, so which is easier like that. Perfect, and let's play again. And as you can see, I was also intervening manually just to set to enable here the 130 two divisions, right, which is great. The MIDI mode is actually quite good because as that is changing, you can change the parameters here. So let's also, for example, go back to the note here and we go to an, for example, an A4. Yeah, perfect. Let's click play now and change some of the parameters here. Okay, nice and simple. Here in terms of AU parameters, lots of those, so really good. And as you can see, as he was playing, the consumption of CPU or DSP for 6%, it's actually really good, right? So yeah, nice, simple, and effective audio effect. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and demonstration. And as always, see you next time.